Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Civilistic and I am back with another video. As you can tell by the title, we are doing a DIY at home wax. So, without much further ado, let's get started. Okay, I went on Amazon, 2-day shipping, Amazon Prime, and I got this Nads Brazilian and Bikini Wax, gentle on skin, tough on coarse hair. Okay, I'm just going to do an unboxing to show you guys what's in here, and then obviously the second portion of this video we're gonna try it out. Okay, open it up. Looks like that. On the inside there's a little note that says thank you. 2 sticks which you use to apply it with, obviously. 3 Nads post wax common oil wipe. So you, and there's 3 of them, 1 2 3. Stuck to the little thing is like, I guess, your instruction. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the instruction. Then obviously it has the directions. Like I mentioned before, they gave me 2 sticks, but I won't be using these because they're like small. I have tiny fingers, so, and this is like very... So I went ahead when I ordered those, and I also, from Amazon, I also got my own sticks. So these are bigger, and I think they'll be like better to apply. And I knew those sticks were gonna be small because I read the reviews when I was buying that, and they were like, those sticks are small, get your own sticks. So Amazon, I got these. Obviously they're bigger and I guess more control. I mean, you could use those, I'm pretty sure, but I just wanted something bigger. Check the link in the description box. I'll probably link it below. Alright, this is the wax. That's the consistency. They said honey-like. We're gonna start. I just want you guys to pray for me. I really don't do good with pain. I've tried to get a Brazilian before, and didn't really work out. I have a video on it. It's been like years, so you're gonna have to like really look for it. They said apply it like so if your hair grows downwards, like apply the wax downwards and then pull in the opposite direction. If your hair grows upwards, then apply it upward and then pull in the opposite direction, so downwards. Let's go. I'm scared, I'm not gonna lie. It dripped down further than what I want. I wanted to do a little tiny. I just wanted a little bit. I just wanted to do it a little bit. And it dripped down. It dripped down. And they said wait 30 seconds. Jesus Christ, who the freak told me to do this? No, don't psych yourself out. Don't do it. You bought this. Nobody forced you. Oh, it's hard. Who? No. Who told me to do this? Please. Who told me to do this? 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 I can't do this. I can't do this. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. Ah. Hey Siri. You got this, sis. You got this. You got this. You got this. Come on. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I can't do this. Like, I can't rip it. Come on, bruh. Come on. You can do this. You can do this. You can do it. You have no choice. You gotta do it. Jesus Christ. For a third time. So you can survive 3 times. You know, yes, you're pulling it this time, but you're pulling it yourself, but it's all the same thing. And you can yell as loud as you want. You can cry. You tweeze yourself all the time. And that hurts you, but you do it. Get your eyebrows waxed, sis. That hurts you too, but you do it. So you can do this. Come on. No, but there's a lot of hair, okay? Don't look down. Don't look down. Don't be a bitch. No, I don't care. I'm a bitch. Punk. Okay, maybe wax somewhere else and then. But how long is this shit supposed to stay in? I can't. There's no way I can do this. Just do it to like a different area. Let's do it here. Okay. Oh! There was a lot. Shit. What did I do? Bro, what am I doing? Got it on my arm. Which way is my hair going? That way, so I should pull it that way. I'm gonna do it here so I can get the courage. Or maybe this was a bad idea and I'm not about to get no courage and I just fucked myself up some more. Okay. Shit. One. I can't do this. Why did I do this? Oh my. What the hell? I'm the wrong person. I'm honestly, sis, you're just gonna have to pull it off. You're just gonna have to put it off. Pull it. Don't even think about it. Like, you put your hand there and just rip. Put your hand there and just rip. Put your hand there and just rip. Put your hand there and just put your hand there. Listen to me. Put your hand here and just can't do it. Can't do it. Can't do it. Can't do it. Do it. You gotta do it. It's a small spot. It's tiny. You're gonna be in pain for like 5 seconds and then it'll be done. And then you gotta do that one. And then you don't have to do this if you choose not to do it again. And you could just throw this whole kit away. Okay? Okay? But if it works and you survive through it and then you decide that you want to do it again, guess what? Smooth waxing, honey. You don't gotta shave no more. You know? Come on. Come on. Don't be a punk. Alright. We got this. We got this. Okay, it's gonna be okay. You're not gonna die from pain. You're not gonna die. Your cramps literally kill you. And yeah, you be begging like to just be okay and survive the cramps, and you survive them. You're gonna go through labor when you have kids, and it's gonna be painful. You're gonna need to get over this and deal with pain. Pretty hurts. Well, shit, not just ugly. Yeah, I don't give a fuck about being pretty. Let me be ugly and not be in pain. How about that? And I could get a surrogate, so I don't get to go through labor pains. No, 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 no. Do it, 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 do it. I can't. It's just your arm. Come on, come on, come on. It's just your arm. Come on. 5. I can't. What? Who told me to do this? Who told me to do this? They ask you if you're fine. You just have to pretend that you are, but you're not. You're not fine. What the heck? Who told me to do this? Who told me? Alright. You just have a little snack. A little snack.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Let me see it. Alright, come on, we're not done. That wasn't bad. Okay, should I show y'all? I left it on for too long. You gotta do a ah! Thank you. Alright guys. Wow, this one took out way more. And this was the one that was from my hand. The hairs are like thinner and stuff, so can't really see it as much. And this is from the strip that I put down there. See, I only wanted to do this much, but then it dripped down and I got this. My last thoughts on the Nads Brazilian and Bikini Wax, right? I think it's good. It's really good. If I was maybe overreacting a bit or whatever, it's probably just a mind thing, honestly, but I would use this again. Like, I'm not gonna throw it away, I'm gonna use it again, but I just didn't have the balls, the courage to do it by myself, so I'm gonna have someone else do the ripping for me because I can't do it personally. But I like the results. The results were good. Just make sure you follow like the instructions on the box on how to like heat it up and stuff like that. And so yeah, and I was happy that I bought my own sticks because they were kind of bigger. And they helped apply the wax better, in my opinion. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys later. Bye.